Is your Instagram sharing list out of order? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, open the Instagram app and check if your sharing list is showing random accounts instead of people you normally interact with. Start by going into your settings. Tap Account, then Account Status to check if there are any violations or restrictions on your account that might be messing with your share list. If some features are restricted, it can cause this issue. If everything looks fine there, try clearing the cache and data for the Instagram app. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Instagram, and tap it. From there, tap Storage and hit Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, restart the app. If that doesn't work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Instagram from the Google Play Store to ensure you have the latest version. Once reinstalled, open Instagram, and your sharing list should now be in order. If this helped, tap like, leave a comment if it worked for you, and subscribe for more quick Instagram fixes.